Reolink offers flexible wired and wireless security cameras with strong local storage options, while Eufy focuses on simple smart home security with easy setup and battery-powered devices. Reolink is a smart security camera brand that offers high-quality, subscription-free surveillance with local storage options. It features advanced on-device AI to accurately detect people, vehicles, and pets without cloud plans, alongside a versatile lineup of PoE, Wi-Fi, and solar cameras. By storing 4K footage locally, it delivers total data privacy and exceptional value over subscription-heavy competitors. Reolink cloud plans start with basic at $3.49 a month or $34.99 a year, while the popular Premier plan is $6.99 a month or $69.99 a year. If you need more coverage, the Elite tier is $11.99 a month or $119.99 a year, and the high-end Ultra option comes in at $17.99 a month or $179.99 a year. Reddit users say Reolink cameras are reliable, stable with Frigate, and integrate well with Home Assistant, offering strong performance. They are also fully local and great value for money. Overall, it's best for affordable and reliable smart security cameras. Eufy security cameras offer a subscription-free home surveillance system focused on local storage and user privacy. Powered by Homebase 3 and Bionic Mind AI, it provides local facial recognition and smart alerts. With features like 4K video, color night vision, solar panels for continuous power, and zero monthly fees, it delivers a highly secure, cost-effective solution. Eufy Security offers the Eufy Cam S3 Pro for $199.99, Nemra S330 for $149.99, Nemra and 3C for $99.99 Nemra, or you can get the full S3 Pro 4Cam kit with Homebase 3 for $709.99 kit. For entry options, the Eufy Video Doorbell E340 is priced at $199.99, while the Eufy Indoor Cam S350 comes in at $129.99. Reddit users say the cameras and door locks work well together in one app, making home monitoring easy and convenient. They also praise the high-quality video to you, reliable solar charging, and easy setup. Overall, it's best for simple and effective smart home security. Overall, Reolink is better for advanced setups and reliability, while Eufy wins for simplicity and smart home convenience. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.